Hello again. Today we are going to learn another Excel shortcut keys, Ctrl+Y. Hold the Control key and press letter Y. It's used to redo the last action, to repeat a task that was cancelled. It's the opposite of Ctrl+Z, which means undo command. As picture shown here, it's equivalent on the QAT the icon, but it will only repeat the single last action. When you press F4, we'll do the same trick. Again, this is to repeat a task that was cancelled, and it's the opposite of Control plus letter Z, which I'll explain next time. Goodbye for now. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a good day.